This is our ClimaPod Passion 9x21 in summer of 2020, so it's really hot and we're in Georgia. It is 99% finished, but we started with the base. These are railroad ties and they're not 100% level, but it was the best that we can do. And you'll see that our lawn is sloped, so we had to kind of finagle it to make it level. We still have a little bit more to do with the windows up there and fixing those because they're not on there correctly. That is a manual opener part on a automatic part, which shouldn't be the case. It should look a little bit more like this instead, so don't go off of this. These are our raised planter beds with pea gravel and stepping stones, which really help. Eggplants, beets, carrots, lettuce that was devastated by some caterpillars, so we're gonna have to spray it. Bush beans, providers, kale and broccoli, as well as patty pan squash here. The ClimaPod lets us string supports from these beams, and here, since these are really top heavy, we can use these little clamp things and it helps to support it, or else it'll just fall over and completely bend the plant, which is not good. This is our one bed that we aren't using, and this stuff right here is actually buckwheat that was turned over about 2 weeks ago. It's our crop cover. We use alfalfa and buckwheat. Chris, how long did this take us to do?
4 months.
4 months from start to finish.
Assembly was 6 or 7 days.
6 or 7 days for assembly, but we took our time and we're doing it right, hopefully. And it's been amazing. Our watering system, before we can get our rainwater runoff, is this Dram rain wand, 30-inch one-touch blue. It's got this little lever here, and that is a lifesaver. I really like this. It doesn't destroy your plants with all the water. It doesn't kick it over, but it's a nice shower, kind of, when you're watering them. So that's it. Little oasis.